Germarel power.
Our natural cooling special chargers, and this is supplied for power plants. As you see, like two pieces of them parallel function. In one cabinet, two rectifier parallel. And we have this cooler outside, just not to use fans and then to increase the efficiency. We have analog meters. So as you see here, the modules are backside, and then from there it's like indicated. As you see, it's compact and it's easy to reach the modules and the chargers and all sides. So in one cabinet, two solution, it is IP54 solution. We have also here, anyhow, we need some cooling. As you see here, these modules connected out.
Two rectifier, two battery, only one load and one dropper unit.
Exactly. Perfect.
Germarel power.